Just in case you need another reason to eat bacon any time of the day, you should try this 3-ingredient bacon candy. It's just brown sugar and mustard. Any kind of mustard you want: Dijon, stone ground, spicy mustard, brown mustard, yellow mustard. It all works the same. And you can also sprinkle in a little bit more whatever seasoning you want, but then it won't be 3 ingredients, right? So just go ahead and put your bacon in there. You make it a slurry. So however much brown sugar you want to use, you just put enough Dijon mustard in there, whatever mustard, so it makes a slurry, a slop, if you will. So I left at room temperature for about 4 hours. Go ahead and set my dehydrator. This is a Kasori. I really am liking this one. I had a Nesco one for a long time till the motor finally gave out on it, and I went with this Kasori, and I like it better. I'll leave a link in the descriptions if you want to see it on the Amazons. Anyway, load them up, make sure they're not touching. I went ahead and bought a package again of the imperfect pieces and ends. Great value, 1.5 pounds, and it was $3, I think. So it's a lot cheaper than regular bacon. What is it at now? $6.99 a pound, $8.99 at the meat market. So I go with the ends and pieces, and they turn out just fine. So another thing you can do after they come out, you could sprinkle brown sugar on them and hit them in the broiler. That makes them a little bit even more crispy. But you can use these in a sandwich. You can chop them up and use them on a salad. I just eat them straight up as soon as they come out of there. Kids love them. My kids, they don't care for the jerky so much, but they love bacon candy. And it should just pry right off of there. And if you want more recipes like this, easy, quick things to do, and a little cheat sheet for how to get them cheap, like I said, go with the ends and pieces. I go to a wholesale distributor, and they have them right by the bacon. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.